We're going to Canadian National Exhibition, which happens every year. This is 2023.
Oh my God.
Can I sing to you?
It's happening in downtown, so I'm leaving from Scarborough. It's a long way from where I am, but we're gonna make it there. And the climate is cloudy.
The CNE happens for 18 days from mid-August to early September. It features a variety of attractions, rides, games, shopping, food vendors, and concerts.
Let's go figure it out. What's in there? They have a ticket section right here. I think each ticket is $25. It's right here, Go Station. And then the entrance.
The CNE was established in 1879 and it is one of the North America's largest fairs, drawing over 1 million visitors each year. The event is known for its unique and often unconventional food offerings, as well as its nightly shows and exhibits.
So we're gonna go on this ride. It's Size Whiz. This is what this is. And it's a big long slide and I'm so scared. You sit on a mat and you slide from the long slide. It's a little bit scary, but we gotta do what we gotta do, you know.
To get on the rides, you need to get another pass for $50.
So we're inside this right now. Okay, I'm so scared to go. Let's do this. Oh wow. Okay, I got my mat and I'm scared. Let's go. I'm actually forced to do this. I'm obligated to do this, but I think it'll be fun though. Oh my God, it's slippery to walk on this. The vibe right now.
Oh my God.
So slippery.
Look at that baby.
The baby's going.
Baby.
To be honest, this isn't scary as I expected.
Okay, that's it.
Corndog is American carnival classic. It's a sausage dipped in cornmeal batter and deep fried until golden brown.
First time trying a corn dog?
Yes.
Let's see what you think.
I think it's really big. It's a jumbo corn dog.
The outer layer is crispy and slightly sweet. The sausage inside is juicy.
Okay, so which one should I choose from all of them? This, right? Yeah, cone biggie.
It's the, yeah.
So you have got to put the ball on 3. Your horse there goes faster. So 2 goes slower and 1 goes slower than that. So you should aim for 3 when the race starts, when they say so. So that's a winner. Hopefully I get on this soon. Oh, look at the sun though. Good. I think there's a lot
Smells
of
good,
food
right?
in there.
Hella food.
Yeah. Sorry, go ahead. I would have been dead.
Whose man's is this?
So this is where the exhibition hall is, and they have food, clothes, everything. A lot of photo frames, Asian photo frames, and I like the fish ones because I have a red coffee. Massage chair. this? This is all posters,
Comic
right?
book fans, anime fans, this is the spot for you.
Or anime fan. Little collections. They got jewelry. Got a lot of different kinds of jewelry. Pancreas. It's pancreas. I mean, that's liver, and that's heart inside. See, I'm smart. I'm not stupid.
Yeah. And she's a doctor, yeah? Yeah, okay, getting la. You heard that?
No, I'm a science student. Yeah. Well, which I didn't complete in 12th grade. But I'm still a science student.
You're still a science student, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you like Pokemon more or Doraemon more?
I've never watched Pokemon like that. Doraemon is my favorite. I watch it all the time.
Show everybody the ticket. Oh, nice. Look at how shiny that is.
Yeah, golden
Noise.
ticket. Looks like a medal that I won for watching Doraemon. Big lemons. I hope they don't
Yeah, oh my god, COVID, Corona.
Twin spinners.
Spin in the wind,
I
right?
don't understand it.
The twisted spiral. Those are called twisted spirals. It looks like the ball is moving up and up without reaching the top until I spin it the other way and then it's going down
Oh,
without
wow.
ever reaching the bottom.
Yeah, it's very trippy.
Words of advice from JebaMalini, yeah? Ganja adikadinga, sarak podadinga. Idu vandu paathitu, yeah, adedha.
The world needs a lot of plants.
The world needs a lot of plants.
Plants and trees, yeah. Samudaya ஆர்வம் உள்ள பெண் நான்.
Wow, pinning edgy.
இங்க ஏதோ புகை வருது பாருங்க.
It's like a wishing well.
Yeah, they wish and throw coins. So I'm gonna do the same thing.
You're
So
gonna
I
make a
got
wish?
and sent it, and I'm gonna make a wish. Okay, I'm ready now. To make a wish, you gotta flick it. You can't throw it in.
That's like that.
This is the little Santa Claus. See? He's made of plants too. Yeah. So I believe like these are roots. No, these are not roots.
These are real, are they?
No, they're not real. I wish they were. This is one of the entrances to the exhibition. Right now we are in the vegetable competition. We have pumpkins and we have tomatoes. And this is from the bottom stage. Almost tomatoes are so cool. You could even start from the bottom, but your fruit has to be the best. It could be like the smallest fruit, but it has to be the best. And it could be ripe too, but it has to be the best. For you to win the competition, I don't have tomatoes at home to cut,
Yeah, so we're trying to steal some. What fish is Nemo?
goldfish.
No.
Yours.
He's a clownfish.
He's a clownfish.
Look at the shark. It's pretty sharp.
So that's a dance competition. They gotta follow and then we gotta find who the winner is. Yes. So look at that. They have a lot of video games, like old school video games. The dog is laughing at me.
Wow, you let a bird fly away, yeah? You let a dog,
Laughing at me.
you let a bird fly away, yeah? Get it. Adi Bobby. Hey, on the night setting about the bus, like,
Is that a real person? Yeah, sure. Is that a real person?
I saw him vent. Alright.
Drawing a picture with them.
oh yeah.
Okay.
Is this tomato?
Now, yeah. Don't throw it away.
That's
Now
okay.
try this.
They washed it with water, so I'm gonna set this.
This is to show the difference of taste just by washing the tomato with alkaline water.
Taste different?
I don't know, but it's sweet and it's good. Everybody's just coming here for free water and we're gonna go.
Say it, sell it to me, yeah? What do you actually think?
I wanted to try these Barbie glasses. So let's try the Barbie glasses. Since the Barbie movie is popping everywhere. These are $25. Let me try that.
कितना nice. Actually, pretty sick. So these are.
So you see that they have a lot of booths here. So for each booth, $1,500, which is $1,500. So this festival, this exhibition, it happens for 15 days, from August 14th to September 5th or 4th, I believe. So it happens for 15 days, right? And sell whatever you want, because a lot of people come here. And if you want to make that money, you can establish your store or whatever. This would be a great place for you to start a booth. Probably, I don't know who you need to speak to for selling your stuff. Check out their website. Probably they have stuff there. This is one of the entrances. It's a long lineup for the cable cars. They're probably gonna wait until tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
That used to be my favorite drink when I used to drink.
What, black flag?
Yeah, but pineapple flavor. Can I get a handstand too? Where?
Are you Indian?
Can I get a?
No, Sri Lanka, bro. Trouble? Yeah. Thanks, bro.
Is it day 3?
Is it day tree? Oh no, it's, I don't know. I think entrance tree.
There's rickshaw here. Do you want rickshaw? Entrance 3. We came through the middle entrance. I hear somebody beatboxing. Let's go find that out. And stamp on for a re-entry. I Spy Donald Trump. So they get down here. We're trying to go on this cable car, but the lineup is too long. If you see, wait, let's find out how long it is, okay?
See how long this snake is.
Oh my god, okay. It's a long
No, Lord, no.
Oh my god. We should have done it earlier.
Yeah, we should have come first.
So the person just said it's gonna be a 2 hours long line. We got this pass for $50. One pass is $50. So we just went on one ride. So it's probably not worth it. So we need to do something out of it. So everything has line. So it seems like this cable car is smart enough to go. My legs are hurting. Like I've been standing for like almost like 2 hours now. Gotta do what we gotta do again. We're almost here. I'm excited. We're almost here. See that? Next we go. Can I come that side? Oh, okay. Oh my god. We are on it right now. We'll see how long this queue goes, okay? See that? Everybody are like trying to wait for the line. Don't shake it. Wow, look at the stadium right here.
BMO field.
BMO field. Football field? Oh wow.
That's where we play our official Toronto FC matches.
FC match?
Yeah,
Nice.
so that's our Toronto team.
Okay.
Like Chennai Super Kings.
I'm just worried about my phone, so I'm like, I don't want to lose it.
Right.
I'm enjoying it. I'm not worried about heights. There's cost right there. Look at them.
CNE 2024 is coming, so don't miss out.
That.
Okay. We just got done with the ride. It was fun though. Worth the wait, right?